Welcome to Up Next 227, your front row seat to the future of motorhomes in the USA. Minibus sparkles from jaw-dropping luxury RVs to never-seen-before upcoming models, we reveal it all. Don't miss out, hit subscribe and let's roll into the future together. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know I always get hyped whenever there's a new motorhome reveal, but today, man, this one hits different. The Hummer brand, yes, that Hummer, the one we know for giant, boxy SUVs that can climb over pretty much anything, has just unveiled their upcoming 2026 Hummer RV Motorhome, and it might just shake the entire RV industry. Think about it for a second. For decades, Hummer was that military-inspired SUV people loved or hated. Then GM revived it as a modern EV with the GMC Hummer EV pickup. Now, they've taken that off-road toughness, that commanding road presence, and blended it with motorhome luxury. The result, a beast on wheels that's not just about going places, but going places in style and comfort that no RV before it could promise. So let's buckle up, because in this video we're going deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Hummer RV Motorhome. We'll talk design, hybrid engine and off-road features, interior details that feel like a 5-star suite, pricing expectations, and how it stacks up against past models and even competitors. And trust me, the more I looked into this thing, the more I realized it's not just a motorhome. It's a statement. Let's start with the outside, because let's be real, design is where Hummer always grabs attention first. The 2026 Hummer RV is bold, boxy, and unapologetic, just like the Hummer SUVs we've known before. Except this time, instead of being limited to a pickup or SUV footprint, GM stretched that philosophy into a full-sized motorhome platform. Imagine a rolling fortress with clean LED lighting signatures, massive all-terrain tires, and body lines that scream adventure. It doesn't look soft, it doesn't look delicate. If anything, it looks like it could roll right through a desert storm, then pull up at a luxury RV resort and somehow still fit in among those sleek, million-dollar coaches. It's aggressive but refined, rugged but modern. The LED light bar across the front grille makes it instantly recognizable at night. And those wheel arches, huge, squared off, almost military in vibe, but instead of looking outdated, they've styled it with futuristic edges. This is not an RV that hides. It announces itself the moment it enters a campground. Now let's talk performance, because that's where the Hummer RV really sets itself apart. GM designed this as a hybrid powerhouse. You've got a next-generation plug-in hybrid system that combines electric motors with a turbocharged engine, giving you the best of both worlds. Around 80 to 100 miles of all-electric driving for short hops and quiet camping, but when you want to hit the road cross-country, the gas hybrid kicks in to extend range. And if you know Hummer, you know it's not just about going forward. This thing inherits the legendary CrabWalk feature from the Hummer EV pickup. That's right, a motorhome that can literally move diagonally to get into tight spots at a campsite. That's game-changing. It's also rocking adaptive air suspension, so you can raise or lower the ride height depending on the terrain. Heading into the mountains, raise it up and crawl over rocks. Rolling into the RV park, drop it down for easy entry. 4-wheel drive comes standard. Torque vectoring helps keep traction even on snow or sand. And the tires, massive, all-terrain beasts that look like they were stolen from a Baja race truck. I don't think we've ever seen an RV designed this intentionally for off-road use. Sure, there are expedition rigs and overland campers, but nothing mainstream from a big brand like GM that screams, "Take me anywhere," quite like this. But let's step inside, because this is where the magic happens. The interior of the 2026 Hummer RV doesn't feel like any other Hummer you've sat in. It feels like a boutique hotel suite on wheels. The layout is flexible, but think along the lines of a spacious lounge up front with wraparound seating, a massive digital command center for the driver, and windows designed to make you feel like you're inside a futuristic observation deck. Materials are premium. We're talking recycled leather alternatives, sustainable wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that shifts colors depending on your mood. The kitchen, full residential appliances, induction cooktop, smart fridge, even a hidden coffee bar. The bathroom, spa-like, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and touch panel controls. The bedroom, king-size bed, retractable smart TV, noise-canceling insulation, and even a skylight so you can stargaze right from bed. And the tech integration is insane. The whole RV runs on a central smart system. Want to adjust the AC, lighting, or check battery levels? Just use your phone or the voice assistant built right into the vehicle. It's not just an RV, it's a smart home on wheels. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but how much is it gonna cost me? Well, GM hasn't officially announced pricing yet, but insiders suggest the Hummer RV will start around $350,000, $400,000 for the base version. Fully loaded, we're talking north of $500,000. Yeah, it's not cheap. But when you compare it to luxury coaches or high-end expedition rigs, it's actually pretty competitive. And considering it's bringing in Hummer's EV tech, off-road credibility, and GM's dealer network, you're paying for both luxury and peace of mind. Now, let's stack it up against past Hummers. The original H1 was a military brute turned civilian monster, amazing off-road, but terrible on gas and comfort. The H2 and H3 leaned more mainstream, but they lost some of that rugged magic. Then came the Hummer EV pickup, which reinvented the name for the electric age. That was the first hint GM wanted Hummer to represent not just toughness but innovation. And now, with the 2026 Hummer RV, it feels like the brand has come full circle. Rugged DNA, but wrapped in modern luxury. It's almost like they said, what if we take the best of an expedition vehicle, the best of a luxury motorhome, and mash them into one? This isn't just a Hummer stretched into an RV. It's a reimagination of what a motorhome can be when you stop following the old rules. So here's my take. The 2026 Hummer RV is not going to be for everyone. It's big, it's bold, it's expensive. But for the people who want something that can go literally anywhere, without giving up luxury or tech, this thing could be a dream come true. Imagine pulling into a national park in this beast. Imagine boondocking in the desert, running silent on electric mode. Imagine pulling into a luxury RV resort and turning heads as everyone realizes, that's a Hummer, not just another coach. It's a lifestyle vehicle, a statement piece, and honestly, one of the most exciting things I've seen in the RV space in years. So yeah, I'm hyped. What do you think? Would you buy a Hummer RV? Do you love the design, or do you think it's just too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I know this is gonna stir up some debate. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot more RV news, tours, and deep dives coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep traveling far, and keep chasing that perfect sunset. Thanks for watching Up Next 227, where the future of motorhomes hits the road first. Minibus Sparkles, if you enjoyed this reveal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next big motorhome drop. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep rolling forward.